the Gregori Maians Social Sciences Library welcomes you. Let's start. Basic information.
The Servei de Biblioteques de la Universitat de Valencia has several libraries on the different campuses. You can use any of them. The regulation of all libraries is common, as is the Trobes document search tool. The library offers you a wide range of uninterrupted opening hours from Monday to Friday. We are also open on Saturday mornings, according to the academic calendar. Access to the library is free. However, during exam periods, the library allows entry only to members of the university community, requesting identification, and extends its normal opening hours. Extraordinary opening hours will be published on our website and social networks. The building has different spaces for different uses, mainly individual work areas and group work areas, which are properly signposted. It is necessary to respect their uses for the proper functioning of the library. Take care of the equipment and materials at your disposal, and do not lose sight of your personal belongings. Use the recycling points to recycle your waste properly and sustainably. The outdoor terraces are also part of the library. Clear the tables after use and leave them as you would like to find them. We recommend you to install the Universitat de Valencia application on your devices, as it allows you a quick access to your university card, as well as to the different services of the Universitat, among them, the information of the library. It is also important that, from the first moment, you have configured the Wi-Fi network of the Universitat de Valencia, Ederome. This will allow you, among other things, access to electronic books and journals and to the databases subscribed by the library service. To access these electronic resources from outside the university facilities, you must install and configure the Virtual Private Network, VPN, on your computer. On the Servei de Biblioteques website, you will find instructions and help videos for downloading and installing it.
Collection.
We have a large physical collection among which you can find books, magazines and reference works, such as thematic dictionaries, language dictionaries, encyclopedias. We also have other materials such as novels, films and series. In addition to the printed collection, we offer an extensive electronic collection of books, journals and access to a large number of databases. You should not forget the biblioguides produced by the library on different subjects, accessible from the web. We would like to highlight the thematic biblioguides for undergraduate studies. In the Trobes search engine you can find both physical and electronic documents from all the libraries of the university. You can find the location of the document in Trobes. Once we have located the book in Trobes, we look for the book number on the elevation plan of the library.
Services.
Manuals and monographs can be borrowed. These are the ones with the blue and white labels. The rest of the documents, magazines, reference works and manuals with yellow labels can only be consulted in the library. In addition to books, you can borrow different items according to your needs: lecterns, magnifying glasses, mobile phone chargers, headphones, notebooks and chains for your laptop. At the bibliographic information desk, and in the online services the library responds, we can help you and guide you to information resources. Our library offers user training courses and workshops, information and digital skills at 2 levels. The Apron online courses, with which you will earn credits. A la carte training, at the request of a group of users, according to their needs. Self-training materials, available on our website. The online services, the library Respon, also help you to solve your doubts. Follow our social networks and the publications on our website to keep up to date with all the news, events and tips.
See you in the library.